How high will Raydium go in the 2024 bull market? In this video I share my Raydium price prediction for 2024 with long and short term analysis, and we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for Raydium to make maximum profits in 2024. So let's go straight into the content. Raydium is on place 159 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $260 million. The coin is existent since 2021 and we saw the all-time high also in 2021. And after we reached the all-time high, we then saw this massive move to lower levels. We came all the way down to these levels till we finally found some support in this demand zone. And after this longer consolidation right here, we then saw this massive breakout to the upside, and we also broke the last high and the supply zone to the upside, which is a very bullish sign. So this was the first bullish sign for Raydium, and if we now can continue this bullish trend to the upside and make a higher high, then the chances high that we can see a bullish explosion to the upside. And then the first really interesting price target is this high right here, because this high was the beginning of this massive move to lower levels we built in lower low. So if we're breaking this one to the upside and find acceptance over this highs, then the chances high that we can see even higher prices for Raydium. And then the next very interesting price target is this high right here, because this high was the start of this massive crash, and often over important highs there's much liquidity, so the chance that we are reaching this goal is very high. And I also expect a larger pullback after this kind of high, because over this important highs most retailers and institutions are taking profits, so the chance for a pullback is there. And if we then find acceptance again over this highs, then of course the last really interesting price target is the all-time high. And from the prices right now to the all-time high, we would have a potential of 1,500%. And I think this is a great potential for Raydium, but the best coins are also exploding over our last all-time high. And I think Raydium has the potential to also explode over the last all-time high. And for calculating a potential price target, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low. And then we are getting this potential price targets, and also from the market cap wise we have much potential to the upside. And if we have a look at the 3.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $60, and from the prices right now to this kind of price target we would have a potential of 6,100%. And I think this would be an amazing deal for Raydium, and I think this kind of price targets for the next bull run are very realistic, because Raydium is a great project with very nice fundamentals, and if enough money flows into the crypto market, the chance that Raydium also explodes is very high. If we have a look at the 1.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $27. And I think this is a more conservative target, but it's also very realistic for the next bull run. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have a potential of 3,000%. And I think this would also be an amazing deal for Raydium. And if we now can continue the bullish momentum on the crypto market cap, the chance that we also reach its all-time high is very high. And as I said, if enough money comes from retailers and big institutions into the crypto market, then the chance is high that we can also explode over the last all-time high, especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF. And if also enough money flows into Raydium, the chance that we are reaching this kind of price targets, it's very high. So we look for potential price targets, and now we are looking for potential buy areas for Raydium. And the first really interesting zone is this demand zone right here, because this demand zone was the start of this massive push to the upside. We broke the supply zone to the upside. We are now seeing this bearish move and retracement. And if we now see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then the chance is high that we can now see a bullish momentum to the upside and also break the last highs. So I definitely think these price levels are a great chance to buy some coins for the long term for Raydium. But if we would see even lower prices again, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here, because after this longer consolidation we saw this move to the upside. So if we're coming again into this demand zone and don't break it to the downside, and if we also see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I would definitely buy some coins right here for my long term hodl portfolio for Raydium. And of course, the lower the prices are, the bigger is the potential to the upside for Raydium. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Raydium, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So again guys, I think Raydium is a great project with very nice fundamentals, and I think price targets of $27 to $60 are very realistic for the next bull run. Of course, this is just the orientation from the prices right now, but if enough money flows into the crypto market and especially in Raydium, then the chance is high that we could reach this kind of price targets. And if you want to see my graph price prediction for the bull run, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for the next bull run. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.